Client Service Manager here with MSI Credit Solutions. We would like to congratulate you for taking your first step to improving your credit. We have created this video to help you navigate through our client portal. By now you should have received an email from our processing department, so please be sure to check your inbox. Within this email you should receive your user ID and your password. Now this password can be changed once we access your client portal. After obtaining the email, you can go onto our website, which is www.msicredit.com. On the top bar, you will be able to click Login, and this is where you'll submit your username and password that you received in the email. For example, the username will be jdoe@na.com, and the password will be jdoe123. Once you have successfully logged in, it will take you into our welcome screen. Within this welcome screen, also known as your main screen, it will provide you the toll-free number to contact our office in case you ever have any questions, the link for our Facebook so that you can follow us on Facebook, and also don't forget to like us and share with any friends, family members, or coworkers that would like to receive any special credit tips. Reminders, please be sure to mail in all the results that you'll be receiving from the 3 credit bureaus, collection companies, and the original creditors. The physical mailing address that you'll need to submit your results to is listed here on your main page. Also be sure to pay all your current bills on time. Do not obtain any new derogatory information on your credit. Do not apply for any new credit without first consulting with your MSI representative. And please also remember that every time we send out a dispute on your behalf, the creditors have a maximum time frame of 45 days to respond back. Feel free to take advantage of our client referral program, which is easy. You can actually refer over to this window over to the right hand side, submit your referrals information, basic information, just first name, last name, mobile phone number, and email address if you have this. Once you click submit, the information will go directly to your client representative. Once you have successfully logged into your account, it's going to bring you here to your main screen. This main screen is going to provide you our toll-free number to contact us in case you ever have any questions. Also a link to follow us on Facebook. Don't forget to like us and share this information with your friends. Reminders, it's going to remind you here of where you need to mail in all your results that you'll be receiving from the creditors, collection agencies, and the 3 credit bureaus. Please be sure to submit your results immediately as soon as you receive them. The longer you hold on to them, the longer it will take to get your account information updated. Please be sure to forward all your correspondence directly to MSI Credit Solutions at 2811 Internet Boulevard, Suite 250, Frisco, Texas 75034. All your results will go directly to our processing department. Be sure to also pay all your current bills on time, not obtaining any new derogatory information on your credit report. Do not apply for any new credit without first consulting with your representative. Also, please be sure to allow the credit bureaus 45 days maximum to respond back to the disputes that we sent out on your behalf. Be sure to also take advantage of our client referral program. Our client referral program is very simple. Just be sure to submit your client referrals information, their first name, last name, mobile number, and email address. Once you click submit, this information will be forwarded over to your client representative. They will then contact your referral, provide them the information that's needed. Once they enroll, MSI will waive one of your monthly processing fees. Now please understand that this will be for every individual referral. So if you have 10 referrals and 4 of them sign up, we'll waive 4 monthly processing fees for you, so take advantage. After clicking on your main screen, the next step would be to go onto My Credit. Be sure that anytime you click on My Credit, you always verify your information. Your address, your email address, and most importantly, your contact phone number. This information is very important to us because your client representative, as well as our customer service department, will be providing you follow-ups, and we want to make sure that we can get in contact with you. Within the credit report history listing, you'll have the date of when your credit was last pulled and the scores. The credit scores will not be updated up until you've completed the program, and we'll pull your final credit report. Under item statuses, you'll have your accounts listed of all the accounts that we'll be working on for you on your behalf. For example, on this Capital One account, it shows that we are disputing late payments. The date that this account was added into the system shows that it was added on January 28th of 2013. When the status shows that it's complete, that means that we have completed the work on this account. So this account that they were disputing the late payments is now no longer reporting to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. To keep it simple, anything reported in green is now no longer reporting or removed off your credit report. That's a good thing. This ABC Collections, this account shows that it was marked accurate. Now, when an account is marked accurate, it means that this account is not subject to dispute because you are saying that this account is 100% accurate. By law, we're not allowed to dispute it. This AFNI account is a collection account. It shows when it was added to the system, and the original creditor was Time Warner Cable. This account has been removed from all 3 credit bureaus, so it will be marked as complete as well. Capital One Auto Finance. This account shows that it's a new account, but it has been validated. Now, when an account has been validated, our processing department is no longer able to dispute this account. You need to contact our client service representative so they could provide you instruction on the next steps to take care of this account. Bank of America. These late payments are being reported to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You also see a View History tab here. You can click on View History, and it will give you information for each individual account. For example, this account that's reporting late payments to Bank of America, it shows that they sent out a late dispute on January the 28th. They also sent out disputes to each individual credit bureau. So remember, they have 45 days from the date that this dispute was sent out in order to respond. Explanation of the credit reporting agency statuses. All these statuses that we covered here, not reported, removed, current. Again, if it's in green, that's a positive. If it's in red, that means we're still disputing it as long as you have not marked the account to be accurate. Explanation of the item statuses. Active, this means that this item is actively being worked on. Completed means that this account has been completed and is no longer reporting on your credit. Accurate means that you designated this account that is 100% accurate. Inactive, this is an item that is currently not being worked on because the account is currently inactive. New would be the status of an account that has been currently added onto your credit report that was not on your credit when you first began the program. Processing history. Processing history will give you an itemized listing of all the disputes that they've been sent. Processing history will give you an itemized listing of all the accounts that have been disputed on your behalf. It will list the information here per creditor that they've sent out the disputes to, as well as the 3 credit bureaus. So for example, this Bank of America account was disputed out to the original creditor. They're disputing the late payments, and it was sent out to dispute to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and it states the dates. Capital One, you will not see a dispute history because this account has been completed and is now no longer reporting. ABC Collections was marked accurate. AFNI was completed, and Capital One Auto Finance is new. When an account is in new status, it will not be disputed up until a client completes their accurate item listing. Accurate item listing. This listing is very important. This listing you should have completed after they have completed the work on your file, so that way you could designate which items you would like for us to dispute on your behalf. Anytime you see an account that has the new status, you'll go into your accurate item listing. You'll check it if you feel that it's 100% accurate. If you would like for us to dispute it, you'll simply just uncheck it or leave the items unchecked and then hit next, and it will activate the account. For example, this ABC Collections account that I originally marked accurate, If I want to dispute that account, I'll leave it unchecked and then hit next. Now that I have updated that information, the ABC account is now considered active. So our processing department will receive a report and that information will now be disputed. You will then receive an email notification in your inbox stating that the account has been disputed. Referral activity. Any clients that you refer over to our company, you'll see their information listed here below. Once a client has enrolled into the program, it will then say pending payment. Once it states paid, that means that this referral or the referrals that would be listed in this area have been credited towards your monthly processing fees. Change password. If you need to change your password because a temporary password that was issued to you is going to be something that you will not be able to remember, please change your password to something that you will not be able to forget. Now, if you do forget it, don't hesitate to contact our client service department so they can go ahead and resubmit your username and password information to you. After that, you just completely log out. And again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the customer service department. Now, this completes the tutorial for our client portal. And once again, congratulations and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope this simplifies the process and helps you understand how to operate our client portal. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback about this video, email us at clientservices@msicredit.com. Also, feel free to like us on our Facebook page by looking up MSI Credit Repair for credit tips and latest news. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.